Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we have a basic English conversation that's perfect for beginners. You'll hear a simple dialogue between two people meeting for the first time. They'll introduce themselves, talk about where they're from, and share a bit about their age and interests. This is a great way to practice everyday English for A1 level learners. So, listen carefully, repeat after them, and let's get started.
Good morning. Good morning.
Hello. Hello.
What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Sara. What's your name? My name is Sara. What's your name?
My name is David. Nice to meet you. My name is David. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Spain, and you? I'm from Spain, and you?
I'm from Canada. I'm from Canada.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 30 years old, and you? I'm 30 years old, and you?
I'm 28. I'm 28.
What do you do? What do you do?
I'm a teacher. What about you? I'm a teacher. What about you?
I'm a driver. I'm a driver.
Do you live here? Do you live here?
Yes, I live near the park. And you? Yes, I live near the park. And you?
Yes, I live on King Street. Yes, I live on King Street.
Do you like music? Do you like music?
Yes, I do. I love music. Yes, I do. I love music.
Me too. Me too.
It was nice talking to you. It was nice talking to you.
Yes, very nice. Have a good day. Yes, very nice. Have a good day.
You too. Bye. You too. Bye.
Thank you for watching this simple English dialogue for beginners. Now it's your turn. From which country are you watching this video? Write your answer in the comments below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you next time.